Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This week's lesson would be Chapter 6, Geometry, Part 1. Before we begin our lesson, let us recite our dua first.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Allahumma aftah alayna hikmataka wanshur alayna min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni minas solihin. Allahumma rzuqni fahman nabiyyin wa hifzal mursalin wa ilhamal malaikatil muqarrabin. Ya fattahu ya alim, iftah qalbi futuhal arifin. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Okay, let us begin. On this chapter, we are going to cover these 4 topics. 1. Recall on angles. 2. Angles on a straight line. 3. Angles at a point. 4. Vertically opposite angles. As we move along, we are going to answer questions from your workbook. Our next subtopic for Chapter 6 is angle at a point. The things that you need to know: angle at a point always add up to 360 degrees. To find the unknown angle at a point, equal to 360 degrees minus all known angles. Our target for this subtopic is for students to recognize and will be able to apply that the sum of angles at a point equal to 360 degrees. Let us do an experiment again together. You're going to need a blank paper, a ruler, and a pencil. So here is what you need to do. First, using a pencil, draw a point on your blank paper and mark it O. Then you draw 3 straight lines with your ruler from point O and going outward as shown here. Next, label your line A, B, and C, and your angles between each line: angle A, angle B, and angle C. Finally, measure your angles. In my case, my angles are measured as follows. Angle A is 105 degrees, angle B is 165 degrees, and angle C is 90 degrees. All of my angles meet at a point O. So let's see if it is true that the sum of angle at a point is 360 degrees. So what you need to do, you add your angle A, B, and C. In my case, that would be 105 degree plus 165 degree plus 90 degree. And yes, indeed, it is equal to 360 degree. So here we conclude that any angles at a point or meet at one point will add up to 360 degree. Now open your workbook page 107. You may notice that I have skipped page 106 because this is similar to my example from page 102, measuring using your protractor. But right now, my next example from your workbook is page 107, question 2C. Here we have four angles meet at a point which we already know will add up to 360 degrees. So here we just simply write the names of our angles adding each other, and that would be equal to 360 degrees. Our next example, page 108, question 3A. In this one, as the instruction stated, find the unknown marked angles. So for this one again, you cannot measure using your protractor. You must use the new fact you have learned that the sum of angles at a point is 360 degrees. To find out the unknown angle AOB, we can take away the known angles that are given, which is 104 degree and 142 degree. So our angle AOB is equal to 360 degree minus 104 degree minus 142 degree, which equal to 114 degree. I am going to do another example with one more example, and I will leave you to do the rest. Page 109, question 4. Here, the question asks for two unknown angles instead of one. They are angle PQS and angle TQR. Since PQR and TQU are straight lines, which mean there is a sum of angle that equals to 180 degree, and that hint will help us. First, find angle PQS. Angle PQS is on the left side of the straight line TQU, which means we can find our angle PQS by taking away the 51 degree and the 75 degree from 180 degree, which equal to 54 degree. Our next angle, angle TQR, is under the straight line PQR. Here we can find our angle TQR by taking away the 75 degree from 180 degree, which equal to 105 degree. Now here are the things that you need to do. You may answer page 106 to 109. Write down 1st of April 2020 as you did on page 106. Remember, always copy your example first and then you may answer the rest of the question. Copy first, then answer. I repeat, copy first, then answer. One more repeat, copy first, then answer. Let us end our lesson with our doa.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni astaudi'uka ma 'allamtani. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-huda wat-tuqa wal-afafa wal-ghina. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi washabbihi wasallam. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Amin ya rabbal alamin.